Goodbarn Meta Support is marketed as a dietary supplement that claims to support healthy metabolism, blood sugar balance, and overall metabolic health. The marketing can make it sound like an easy solution for improving your metabolism, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in metabolic health supplements, such as chromium, cinnamon, or berberine, have been studied for their potential effects on glucose metabolism. However, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle or medical treatment. What it does well: convenient to take. A daily capsule is easy to incorporate into your routine. May provide nutritional support. Depending on its ingredients, it may contain nutrients that play a role in normal metabolic function. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle metabolism booster. No supplement alone can dramatically improve your metabolism or replace healthy eating and regular exercise. Evidence varies by ingredient. Even if individual ingredients have shown promise, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers the advertised results. Results aren't guaranteed. Any benefits are likely to vary depending on your overall health, diet, and lifestyle. So, should you buy Goodbarn Meta Support? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for general nutritional support. If you're interested in using it alongside a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to deliver dramatic metabolic improvements on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.